you go. Do you know what? I tried recording that right probably about 30 times today, so I did that twice over. G session steel stitches for my britches, or britches for my stitches, I believe. It's a polka, and I believe the reason why that is because it's 2/4, 1 2 1 2, and I believe that is the norm for a polka. So I done a video earlier which I weren't sure about when I made the video, but it's a jig, because it actually says in the title it's a jig, on Richard Slay's Irish course. But this one says polka, stitches for my britches. I ain't got a clue. It's an Irish, but it's a good one. The good thing about the Irish music in the course is it gets in the upper register, where I wouldn't necessarily use that or have experience. A guy said to me once, "You want to play blues?" He said, "Get into Irish traditional music." I think the reason why he's saying that is because it gets you, playing single notes rapidly. I'm tongue blocking, by the way, playing single notes, and it's quite sort of quickly. It's almost automatic. Obviously, the course is good because it gets you to learn to play by ear. So I highly recommend it to anybody. It gets you doing one line, like a sequence of notes. You learn that, then the next one, and then the next one, and then you put A, B, and C together, and you've got the whole thing. And it's a bit like 12-bar blues, where it goes around. I thought that's why they called them Irish reel, but no, I think I'm yet to find out what a reel is. So if you know what a reel is, put something in the comment. I'm going to go and have a look now anyway, but for the sake of anybody that might read the comments, so I asked this question before. What's the difference between a jig, a reel, and a polka? Like, the polka is 2/4 beat, I found out, which is 1 2 1 2 1 2, instead of 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. It sort of sounds like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, or 1 2 1 2. What's the difference in a sense? But I suppose 1 2 1 2, like a step. 1 2 1 2. And I don't know if you noticed, I had the metronome going in the background, and it does help. 1 2 1 2. Good little metronome, this one. I got it off of eBay. I think I've made a video about this. Good little metronome, steady little thing. I do like things to move, but for this one, it's quite loud. So when you're on the beat, you know about it, because this kind of disappears. I'm not going to do it again. I'll tell you, I tried recording so many times. Now, if you listen to this one and the one that I did earlier, you may hear bleeding notes. So my own personal challenge really is to slow it down. That's just a few slaps. Yeah, if you listen to the songs that I've made today, this one and the other one, you will find dirty notes, bleeding notes, because it's not perfect. I've just recorded it the best I can and put it out there to encourage anybody, really. That was in G. Zidell session still in G. Lovely harmonica, but when you're up here, it's quite high pitched. But I'm tempted now to get a low G and see where that goes. I think that's my next harmonica to come, a low G. So I definitely encourage Richard Slay's Irish course, which will reinforce single notes. It will help with speed. Definitely help with learning to play by ear. Yeah, because the first 3 or 4 videos, 3 or 4 songs, there's more video to them, and then the last 2 or 3 songs, I don't think there is a video for them, possibly, or maybe there's just shorter video and then audios, because by the time you've done the first 3, you should have sort of developed a bit of attention to the ability to listen and copy without him explaining. So there you go. Yeah, definitely. If you get on the course, it's good fun. I love it.